Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your browsing experience smoother. Today, we're diving into how to translate a page on Firefox 2025. With the ever-evolving web, language barriers shouldn't hold you back, and Firefox has some awesome built-in tools to help. Whether you're reading a foreign news site or exploring international recipes, translating pages is a breeze. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Firefox browser is updated to the 2025 version. This ensures you have access to the latest translation features. Open Firefox on your device and navigate to the web page you want to translate. For example, let's say you're on a Spanish website and you prefer English. Once the page loads, look for the translation icon. It's usually a little globe or language symbol in the address bar. Click on it, and Firefox will detect the page's language automatically. If it doesn't, you can manually select the source language from the drop-down menu. Next, choose your desired target language, like English, French, or whatever you need. Hit the Translate button, and watch as the page transforms right before your eyes. Sometimes, Firefox might prompt you to confirm the translation or adjust settings for accuracy. If the translation isn't perfect, don't worry. That's common with AI-based tools. You can always refine it by editing text or using the original option to switch back. Pro tip: if the built-in translator isn't available, head to the Firefox add-ons store and search for a reliable extension like Google Translate for more options. And just like that, you're done. Translating pages in Firefox 2025 is quick, efficient, and user-friendly. This feature not only saves time but also opens up a world of content. If you run into any issues, check your browser settings or restart Firefox. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more handy tutorials. See you in the next one.